If you're facing billing issues with your American Express account, it's important to address them promptly to avoid any negative impact on your credit or account status. Follow these steps to effectively resolve your billing problems. Step 1. Review your statement. Check your most recent billing statement for any discrepancies. Look for unauthorized charges, incorrect amounts, or any fees that you do not recognize. Make a note of any specific transactions that need clarification. Step 2. Gather documentation. Collect all relevant documents, including your billing statement, receipts, and any correspondence related to the disputed charges. Having this information on hand will help you present a clear case when you contact customer service. Step 3. Contact customer service. Call the American Express customer service number found on the back of your card or on their website. Be prepared to explain your billing issue clearly and concisely. Provide them with the details you gathered in the previous steps. Step 4. Follow up in writing. If the issue is not resolved during your call, follow up with a written complaint. Include your account number, a detailed description of the problem, and any supporting documents. Send this via certified mail to ensure it is received. Step 5. Monitor your account. After submitting your complaint, keep an eye on your account for updates. Check your statements regularly to ensure the issue has been resolved and that no further problems arise. If necessary, continue to follow up until the matter is settled. By following these steps, you can effectively address and resolve any billing problems with American Express. Remember to stay organized and persistent throughout the process.